You guys, thank you for stopping by. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, it helps out so much. There's some plant-related things that I'd like to take care of today. It's cold outside, and before I start, all I want is a piping hot cup of tea. There are 2 lemongrass plants that my mom gave to me. They've been doing great indoors so far, kept near the sunniest window in my home, warm and watered sparingly. Here on this side of the country, the temperature outside is creeping close to freezing, and with its frozen hands will claim the lives of any poor plants left outdoors. Today I'll make some lemongrass tea. Its citrusy aroma will help me think of a warm summer day. Some people will boil the leaves to make a concentrated pot of tea. I do that sometimes too, but I feel like adding boiled water to the fresh leaves instead helps to preserve a lot of its nutrients from denaturing quickly in continuous heat. You can also add more water a few more times each time you finish a cup. My Kaffir lime leaves have been growing slowly, but at the same time making progress. It is what I expect when trying to create a suitable environment indoors for a plant that typically thrives in tropical outdoor weather. If you look closely at these plants, the soil line is below the rim of the cup, which decreases the amount of space the roots can grow. The lower part of the stem is also buried beneath the soil, which can put the young plant at risk for something called damping off. Damping off is rotting of a tender stem below a soil surface caused by a soil-borne fungal disease. Young seedlings develop a rot at this site, and later the tissues become soft and constricted and the plant wilts and falls over. So to prevent this, I will be lifting these plants up completely, filling the soil up to the rim of the cup so that a bit of the root just under the trunk is exposed. I will also lightly water these guys sparingly when the soil is near dry. I'll be sure to keep you all updated on the progress on these plants. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, be safe guys. Bye.